Private resale home prices may be at its peak now, but this does not apply to all unit types. Prices of 3 and 4 bedroom saw an upward trend in the past years, whereas prices of 1 and 2 bedder have been pretty stagnant due to an oversupply. In my previous episode of Ask Joy, I have shared how URA's new ruling will limit the provision of 1 and 2 bedroom in the mass market in the next 5 years. And this presents an opportunity for you who are looking to purchase small unit types in the resale market today, because there is a chance that prices of such unit types will increase due to low supply. So in this episode of Ask Joy, I'll be sharing with you how to own this type of property using 2 methods and how you can leverage on these 2 methods to build your first asset. First, you can own this property using other people's money. In case you're wondering, the other people here refers to your tenant, using the rental paid by your tenant to pay for your installment. I'm going to use the 1 bedroom at La Riga as an example. La Riga is a freehold property located in District 14. It's TOP in 2015 and is a boutique mixed development which consists of 88 residential units and 48 commercial units. Based on the latest transaction, it will cost about 500,000 to own a 1 bedroom that is 366 square feet in size. And for this, you can fetch a rental of $1,750 per month. With an interest rate of 1.5%, the monthly mortgage works out to be $1,294, which consists of $825 principal amount and $468 interest payable. Bear in mind that the interest is a form of expense, whereas the principal will be returned to you when you sell your property. Therefore, to calculate your monthly savings, we will take the rental amount of $1,750 minus interest payable, minus property tax and maintenance fee. You will get $942 of savings per month from rental. Well, a thing to note here is that if you intend to purchase boutique developments that are similar to La Riga, do go for newer ones because the older ones might face issue with maintenance fee increment. So, based on 942 monthly savings, if we multiply it by 60 months, you'll be able to save a total of 56,000 in 5 years' time. Taking the lack of supply of 1 bedroom into consideration, there are 2 potential scenarios you will face in the coming years. Scenario 1 is if the property appreciates by a mere 50,000. With this 50,000 appreciation, plus your savings from rental, you would have saved a total of 106,000 in 5 years. And scenario 2 is if the property appreciates by 100,000. Plus your savings, you will have saved a total of 156,000. And this is what we call the part rental and part appreciation strategy. To help you understand better, I'll be using another example, and that is Twin View's 2 bedroom. Currently, it will cost about 1.15 million for a 2 bedroom that is 732 square feet in size. And for this, you can fetch a rental of 3,200 per month. Based on a 1.5% interest rate, the monthly mortgage works out to be $2,976. Taking the monthly rental, we'll deduct the interest payable, maintenance fee and property tax, and that will work out to be $1,722 of savings per month. Again, if we multiply these monthly savings by 60, you will get a total of 103,000 savings in 5 years' time. Assuming the property appreciates by 100,000, your total savings will be 203,000. Using these savings and you combine it with the 25% down payment which you have put in Twin View when you first purchased it for 1.15 million, you will be able to upgrade to a 1.7 million property when you dispose Twin View in 5 years. And this is why property is always regarded as a form of forced savings. And with that, I would like to end my sharing today. If you have any questions on these saving plans, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I will catch you in the next episode of Ask Joy.